Innovation is all about creating the perfect experience. At BMW, we are true innovators. We are perfecting cars that are already quite perfect, creating unique, immersive experiences, and always following our vision to merge real driving pleasure with virtual experience. Transforming the car into a portal to the virtual world. Reinventing reality. This is the future of BMW. Our vision is the most important source of inspiration for our brands and products today. Why have a vision if not to bring it to life? The head-up display, essential for navigation and safety, we have been improving it for 20 years. Now we are taking it to a whole new level. The all-new BMW Panoramic Vision, a fundamental new element of the future BMW human-machine interaction system, transforming the entire windshield into an outstanding gigantic display, an iconic tech milestone, a highly customizable, cutting-edge user interface, projecting all the information you need with full context and situation awareness, perfectly displayed in the driver's line off-site. And on top of that, exclusive, brand new media and entertainment features for all passengers. With the BMW Panoramic Vision, we will enter a new dimension of eyes on the road and hands on the wheel. We will revolutionize the emotional experience with your BMW. And this is just one of our upcoming game-changing innovations. We've got a lot more to come this year.